You're on.
Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know, I bring you this live from the mountains. What we have here is a failure to communicate with the alien extraterrestrials. Because what we have here is wood hinge. We know not where it comes from. But we awoke this morning to find that coming up out of the ground, and I don't know what to think. Wood hinge, I give you fellas and folks and extraterrestrials. Forthwith, Ireland has nothing on us, or Scotland, or Greenland, or wherever Stonehenge is. I give you wood hinge. The aliens done did it. I have spoken.